Yeah, hi guys. I'll try to program the remote for my recently bought Mazda Miata NB facelift model. Apparently, it came without the key fob, without the remote for the central locking, just with both keys. But according to the specifications, it's used to have the one key fob. So I purchased a new one from IL Motorsport. I think it's quite popular online shop for Miata's parts, original and retrofit parts here in Europe at least. Here how the new key fob looks like. Yeah, original one. Quite light, could be heavier, but it's a Mazda after all, not a Bentley. Yep. Fortunately, in internet there is enough information about this, how to program your new remote. Actually, you're not programming the remote, you're just programming or kind of force the car to access the new key fob. There are couple, or actually 4, 5, 6 steps that the one should go through. They're relatively simple. The kind of core 5 steps should be done within 24 seconds. But yeah, now I will explain a little bit more. Before we start, I will just make an overview what should be done. And also this is a good overview for me because I have never done that. I have never had a Mazda, never had a Miata or whatever. We'll see. And I really hope that that it will work out with the new key fob and that I don't have any other problems with my central locking or kind of remote central locking, and I won't have to go deeper, and it will solve the problem just by programming this one. Okay, so first thing that the driver door should be open, and we need to do everything with the open driver door. And now the steps that should be performed in 24 seconds. First you need to insert the key in the ignition, turn the key to on and off position 3 times in a row. Well, on position is the one before the start actually. You need to do this 3 times. Then you need to remove the key from the ignition, and as I said, the door will be open anyway. And push the frame button. Here's this button which shows you if the door is open or closed. You need to push it 3 times. After that, the car should give a signal to signal you that it is in programming mode, and in the end you need to push any button on the remote 2 times. Now we'll see if it works or not. Hopefully I will be really glad if I success. If not, it will be a fiasco, man. Okay, let's try now. Set the key in the ignition. Okay, now I will not count 24 seconds. I will just try to do things fast enough in a good pace. Okay, let's start. Turn key to. Okay, insert the key in the position. Turn key on and off 3 times. On, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Remove the key from the ignition. Push the door. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a good sign. That's a great sign. And now, okay, it's actually done everything it should be done. It should done. Now let's see if it works. Good. Lock. Unlock. Wow. Okay. Lock again. It's locked. Unlock again. Wow. The blinkers are working too. Okay, now the trunk button. The trunk should pop out after pressing the button and holding it. What the fuck, I'm so happy. Beautiful. Wonderful. Lock again, unlock again. Perfect. Okay. Well, guys, you saw it's quite easy. Now it's time for a sip of black tea. I will link the manual or the steps that you should take in the description below this video, so everyone of you can use this. And so now you know it's quite easy if you get an original key fob to program it by yourself and not to pay any money to anyone. It's quite okay. Yeah. Perfect weather for a convertible today, for a roadster, I'm sorry. Okay, take care.